Hey guys, అందరికి నమస్కారం, వనక్కం and welcome back to yet another episode of Two States Junction. If you're watching me for the first time, do check all my videos, and if I am engaging you, please click on the subscribe button and the bell icon for future notifications because it doesn't cost anything but it motivates me a lot. Okay, so have got 3 subscribers added to my account. I really want to thank them in this point because I don't know who subscribed me. But really, thanks, guys. This really motivates me. Do comment me at least an hi in the video, so I'll be happy to know like who subscribed me and who wish to see me more. So, if you have watched my previous video, we have started Diwali cleaning. So, the kitchen window and the countertop is done. So, we cannot do everything at a stretch, right? So, you have to split your work, split your cleaning, split your food preparation for Diwali, sweet preparation, everything, and then so your time will not be wasted and you can use your time effectively. So that is done. So the next thing I wanted to show or do a video is about a useful product that so okay this using this product I am showing 5 uses of this product. So there is like many other uses with the same product, but this product is very useful and also helps in cleaning. So as part of Diwali cleaning, there are like small things or small places which we normally leave out. So those places I'm going to corner today in this video, and I'm going to show you how this product helped me to clean all those places. So let's get started. So this is for people who doesn't know, there is a product called Cif, as you can see in this image. So this is available in supermarkets. So this super Cif product can be used to clean the following, which I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, the one in this image, the cost of this Cif is 90 rupees MRP. Probably in some supermarket they have a seller price which will be lesser than this, like some 10 rupees or something. So you'll get it for 80 rupees, and the net volume of this is 250 ml, and this is going to come for an year at least. So I think it's worth getting this product. First is this switchboard cleaning. Mostly in every house we leave to clean the switchboards. So using this Cif, it is the job is going to be very easy, and once in a while, say for 15 days once in a fortnight, so you can just take a little small drop or 2 to 3 drops of this Cif cream and then just apply over all the switches and then just wipe it off with another cloth. So that is more than enough. All the small dust that is sticking on this switchboard is going to vanish away. The most common place of dust accumulation is this gas burner point. So as you can see, every day this place will have stains with no doubt. So using this Cif cream, it is very easy that these stains will go effortlessly. As you can see in this video, just takes 2-3 small drops of Cif and then apply it over and just rub it off softly. It's very gently. The heavy stains also goes off, and then you can just wipe it again with a normal cloth. Next usage of this product is this mirror point. So often we used to use the stickers, and then we keep sticking those stickers on sides of the mirror while we are washing our face, so that makes a stain over this mirror. So what you can do is take the same sieve and you can just apply all over, and then just slightly gently rub it off, and then clean it with another cloth, and it's going to shine. Next usage of this product is use it for cleaning your mixer and grinder. So both of them can be cleaned using this surface. Mainly the mixie, too much of usage at our kitchen, that needs to be cleaned very often. So there is, like, as you can see in this video, like there is lot of stains inside and under the mixie jars and on the sides, and if you like leave it like that for quite some time, um, it's going to be very hard for you, that you cannot remove it at all, and the color of the mixie will also be changed. So once in a while, or once in a 10 days, just take this sieve and then apply all over your mixie and just rub it gently, and then it is super shine, as you can see here. Next use of this product is to clean your mobile phone. So I have a kid at my home, Srinika. She used to meddle a lot with this phone, like she used to spill when she is eating, and there is a lot of dust accumulations at the corner of the phone that tends to be happening always, and it's very very important that you clean your phone once in a while, or the paint or the back side of your phone will be like lost. They'll have some dots or dents that's been forming. So take this solution, just wipe it nicely front and the back, and your phone is going to glitter. So I have just shown you a few places where we normally leave out without cleaning, and how that can be done using the super product. So it can also be used in many other places where there is stain somewhere on the TV or helmet or something like that. So a lot of places you can use the same Sif cream and you can clean it. Hope this information is very useful for you. So meet you again in yet another good video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.